tears. I can't stop laugh. I want to stop laugh. I can't stop laugh. Yo, y'all niggas is embarrassing your fuck. Oh, they embarrassing your fuck. Hey, all when doing them feelings. I was a real friend to fucking do it. Do it, the sister, you idiot. Do it. You know, hear the man I say from the couch to the chair. Then again, you didn't tell me, say, queen the fuck you, and fuck RT. You the sister, them are giving to you. You the sister, them are secret. Me hate this to you, but me not say you're not stupid. I know you go pack up, you wait for your hack up, you go get a little thing, cause you know say you need a little money, but you have your Yankee visa and you go foreign. Cause you can't say blood clot fool in your face bumper wall. Me tell you now, me tell you, you're vexed with me, me tell you, don't get attached to nobody. You see me over here? Me say me can't, hey, me a laugh in your face. RT, she got for block you, brother. Cause that boy didn't like you. Me not like you after you try this me. I'm never diss you. This is fucking hilarious. Me, I laugh, bro. Me never know somebody that gonna laugh today. Me didn't go say, you know what I thought was gonna happen? Niggas was gonna work on their marriage and block out everybody else, block out all this circus that was going on and move forward. And wanna stop cuss because me I go under anything I laugh when me want laugh, but me always get off my blood clot teeth them. That's why them white. White. My God. If I want thing, me know RT boss, you know. That's why I never put myself in a position with certain people. I don't play certain game. No boy, no girl, and a secret for me on the media. That's just the truth. Right now, me are dead with laugh. The man said from the couch to the chair, to the this and the that. And let me guess. Big old man thing, you know me, when I tell my husband, say, no, he might do something for me right now, so me have to go and talk to him. It look like everybody has secret. And the only thing on the smart, you never tell her Mary. Come remember, say me can't talk, I want to put this on social media and call my name for weeks, I'm going to answer, oh no. Hey! It look like we're this close to all the secrets them coming out so we can laugh. I love the entertainment. Y'all motherfuckers thought y'all was lining me up. Boy, sir. And stop say Shelly bring up. Come here, listen. Me don't give a fuck right now. Stop say Shelly send your husband back to you. I mean you have to run off your husband, bro. Me have to tell him, say, yo, cause every minute the gal them, it never did a workout. Mama in Canada every right now with the baby. Come on. Come on, him just run off from Mama with Canada with the baby cause shit look like she start tighten up on the money. The best thing me I tell you just stay off of social media cause this a go get nasty. And do it sensitive. Right now you're the social media, RT but don't say to make him bad. From the couch, the step, and the this and the that. But RT, you sleep in a separate bedroom, brother? Why you come out so strong for me? Now when it all fake and then your real business come out. Why you come out so strong? Yo, I didn't first me I watch the blog of them all day. Between Jojo, King Mix Up, and Pink Wall. Me are dead with laugh. Me just a type for the laugh. Cause me never did a laugh, you know. Cause me I say I wish the people them the best in their marriage. But it look like the circus start back early. So no lesson was learned. Me never just teach you, do it say yo. Use the social media in a positive light. Don't be negative. Didn't I just teach you that, nigga? It not work, I look like it'll go get nasty. But me not stupid with you, you know, cause you have a plan, you know. All of them things say you're idiot, you have a plan, you know. Just that just need to work on yourself financially without depending on another individual. And then yesterday them say you call me name over there about song and this and that. I don't know if it was true because I didn't hear it with my own ears. But a couple of people were typing saying, Momo, you need to answer back. But I never did I really pay them no mind. Because I don't know if it's true. You know what me I say? Some of us say make him go on with the road, make everybody go on with the road, because I have a lot of things doing. This is last week, I can't have a focus on me driving of my Uber. You understand what I'm saying? But niggas is about to get nasty. Internet is gonna be lit right now. I ain't gonna lie. This is a never-ending soap opera. Me, I can't do it too long. But thank you for the opportunity that I got from this. I told you today I got some great news. Someone reached out to me about filming. So I guess my acting skills they need to work on. Because I still can't, I got to work on my acting skills some more. But I got an opportunity from all it. But, come in and watch them now. Me now watch them now. But, when right now me dey on Jojo King mix up and Pink Wall heavy no blood clot. So me just a watch. Me just a watch and go through. Cause this shit is entertaining. I love entertaining. Y'all niggas thought I was entertaining y'all for weeks. But, bro, niggas is about to get nasty. Me say RT have the cup and I sip and I sip and I sip. Remember say me a blog and me chat everybody blood clot business like them chat me. Cause suck on no mama. I drive Uber and getting paid at the same time. This is the money me make for there. I will probably spend a little bit outside to car. My name about 2 times already. No! Oh my, that's so nice! This shit is good entertainment. Well, not really, because some of y'all feelings is involved. So you understand what I'm saying? I know your time idiot, girl, because that means come on. Come back. There we go. Somebody that call me. Yeah, idiot, girl. You're lost in the story, mama. You ain't at the story. From you said that, you don't have no sense. You're late. Just go sit down one side and get a notebook. And me, I get notebook, you know. Right now, me know pretty damn notebook. Long your fuck over there when me a cuss out her blood clot. Long your fuck. Hey. Right now, this shit. Yo, when Mr. RT goes out, let me just drink. Hey, him want Lego in mouth, you know, but everybody have secret for them one another right now. You type too much to him, I gotta block you, because you disturb me. Come read the comments then. I got to. You're late in the show, bitch. Oh, damn, see, now they answering for her. See, now you have the people that might answer for you. Tell me if you can't hear me. My people them are answer you. I mean, I like when my people them distracted with the fucking idiot them. Because he's an idiot. I told you guys can gladly come up. No?